Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by positioning your ladder to safely reach the panel and put on gloves and glasses. Use the zip tool to engage the lock above the piece, sliding it gently until the panel pops free. This relieves tension. Once done, score any paint or caulk at seams with a putty knife so the panel moves cleanly. Make sure to support the panel edge with your free hand to prevent bending, and mark the ends so reinstallation aligns perfectly. You now free the locked edge step by step. Insert the pry bar under the bottom lip and lift slightly, moving across the panel in 6 to 12-inch increments to avoid stress. If you hit nails, remove only the ones securing that panel with a claw or cat's paw. Leave others alone. Once the top lock is disengaged, slide the panel down and out toward you. Make sure to keep the panel level as you extract it so it doesn't warp or snap. You finish by inspecting the exposed sheathing and fasteners for rot or moisture. Replace any damaged wood before installing a new piece. Once repaired, test fit the replacement siding, align the bottom, and lift into the top lock. Make sure to nail the flange loosely every 12 to 16 inches so the panel can expand, then set nails flush. Finally, seal seams with exterior caulk and touch-up paint. If the panel won't seat, check for uneven sheathing or a missed hidden fastener and correct it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.